Hello everyone. So this is the example for email as well as charts in network and communication. Okay, so my system is connecting with network. So with this network help, I'm going to send some message to some other person. Okay, for example, my friend or my another company branches in where Europe country. Okay, so I'm going to communicate with that company. How can I do this process? Through this email option, okay, or chat option. Chatting means we can do this WhatsApp or some other applications. They are providing this chatting facility now, so we can utilize that applications. So right now I'm going to utilize this email option, which is provided by Google. Okay, so you can choose Microsoft, Google, as well as another mail. These are engines. Okay, so they are providing this email services to you. So now I'm going to open this and compose. So why we are using this purpose? Because we are going to write a new letter to your friend or official or your relatives, something like that. Okay, so I'm going to make this letter to my business partner. For example, my business partner to here I should know that recipient address or mail id. Okay, so you know all the mail id enter by their provider's name. So why here they are giving this Gmail means Google. Okay, so that's why gmail.com. If I using another mail means that provider name will be added to your mail id. So my mail id is Jenny's Private Limited. So my business partner mail id is, for example, doka.com. Okay, so to with whom I'm going to send this address. Okay, and another option here you can see this subject as usual. So in the letter how you will write the same procedure you are going to apply in this email option. Okay, so who developed this or who invented this email option means Shiva Ayadurai. This is the first person invented this email id throughout the world. Okay, so this person invented this email option for the business as well as personal wise. Okay, so next here you can see this doka.com. Okay, and of course again we will check this. Yes, to mail id doka.com. This is your mail id and recipient. Okay, okay, we can give this lost option also, no problem. So subject, yes, for warehouse. Okay, warehouse inspection, something title. Okay, so warehouse inspection, compose mail. As usual, how we can type this, for example, dear warehouse Doka team. So I'm going to ask permission to visit or to inspect their warehouse. So that I'm going to write this application or a letter to that concern. Okay, so here you can type that recipient address. Okay, as usual. Okay, if you need this cc carbon copy means you can add to another person. If you don't want any copy means you can maintain a single that to form. Okay, so in letter how we can write this from. Okay, from means sender, to means receiver. The same format you are going to apply in this email option also. So from Jenny's Private Limited to receiver Doka Private Limited. So for what purpose? I'm going to visit this. Okay, warehouse. So here you can type Yes, maybe at final we can type this, no problem. So dear data warehouse as usual. So how we can type this? So on this wonderful morning, wonderful day, so automatically it will comes in your that what documents. Okay, so we can just concatenate the words. Wonderful day, I'm very glad to meet you. We can type like this information, and of course you can type that doka.com, and then you can send this letter to that recipient. For example, here I am going to send this, means just you click this option. Okay, so if you need BCC, for example, if you don't want doka.com, means here you can see this. Okay, if you click this arrow option, automatically it will goes to that. Okay, so that address is invalid. Okay, so we can check this another valid, for example another ID. Yes, so I'm going to send my and another mail ID. Okay, so now it will go. If you need CC copy, means you can click this. Okay, so now you can click this arrow option, automatically it will send to your recipient. Okay, so these are the options while we are using in email. Okay, next we will see the chats option. Okay, so this is the process of this email. Okay, so how to compose and how to send and how to add the recipient address. Okay, so each and every techniques you should know about in this email. Okay, so thank you so much.